2016 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated front seats, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, SIRIUS Satellite Radio, panic alarm, front reading lamps, rear window wiper. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.